construction world, boundaries are constantly being pushed by talented workers. Some workers don't just follow the blueprint, they reinvent it. By thinking outside the box, they show that there's always room for innovation in construction. Today, we'll take a look at 15 construction workers who have created something truly unique. Number 15. Switchboard Ultra PVCU. Switchboard Ultra PVCU composite decking stands out as an exceptional choice for enhancing terraces and outdoor areas. With a substantial thickness of 37 millimeters, it is one of the most robust decking options available, providing a sturdy and solid feel underfoot, or coffee won't seep into the material, making cleanup simple and preventing stains. This quality greatly reduces maintenance efforts and keeps the decking looking fresh over the years. Made from PVCU, which is similar to PVC but without plasticizers, the decking is free from harmful substances like lead. This material is stable and safe, even suitable for use in the food industry, highlighting its non-toxic nature. Safety is a priority with Switchboard Ultra, as it has passed rigorous tests for fire resistance, abrasion, and slip resistance. These attributes make it a reliable choice for households, especially those with children or frequent outdoor gatherings. Maintenance is straightforward, since there's no need for painting or sanding. The decking retains its appearance and structural integrity. Outdoor decor. Number 14. Geoplast New Elevator. Geoplast New Elevator is an innovative formwork system developed in Italy that merges sustainability with simplicity. The core material used is recycled polypropylene, which makes the system environmentally friendly while maintaining durability. This formwork is designed with adjustable tubes, allowing both the height and diameter to be tailored according to the specific needs of a project. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from private homes to large-scale projects like schools and exhibition centers. One of the standout features of the Geoplast New Elevator system is its ability to create ventilated cavities beneath floors. These cavities are essential for combating issues like excess humidity. The nature of the system means that it can significantly expedite the construction process. In some cases, it has reduced the duration of certain building phases by up to 80%. This efficiency is achieved without compromising on quality or performance. The modules are straightforward to assemble, which simplifies the workflow on construction sites and reduces labor costs. Moreover, the Geoplast New Elevator system is versatile enough to accommodate projects of various sizes. It was effectively utilized in constructing a sprawling 25,000 square meter campus, demonstrating its capability to handle large projects. The adjustable design ensures that the formwork can meet the unique demands of each project, providing a custom solution without the need for entirely new materials. What's great is that there's no need for any prior surface prep. Just open the kit and get started. The system is incredibly versatile. The skirting board can be shaped by hand into any form you need, which is especially handy for awkward or tight spaces. There's no need for noisy tools or creating a mess, making it an excellent choice for smaller areas or when working in sensitive environments. Even someone with no experience can use it effectively. The process is straightforward and doesn't require specialized skills. The sealants included in the kit are tough and reliable. They can handle a wide temperature range from a freezing 40 degrees Celsius to a warm 93 degrees Celsius. You can even use them outdoors in temperatures as low as degrees, making it ideal for colder climates or winter across the United States, highlighting the demand for efficient construction tools. One such tool is Spin Screed, a simple yet effective solution for screeding concrete. The system uses a rebar as its axis, positioned in the center of the construction area, ensuring precise and clean results. The manufacturer emphasizes that even workers with little to no experience can achieve professional-level outcomes with this equipment. Spin Screed is available in both battery-powered and fuel-powered versions, with the fuel-powered option running on a reliable Honda engine. The roller lengths range from 1.2 to 6.7 meters, making it adaptable for different-sized projects. Unlike traditional vibratory screeds, it delivers a superior final quality and a flatter, smoother surface. This is due to its unique design, practical choice for both large-scale and small-scale construction. With a price tag of approximately $1,600, Spin Screed offers a cost-effective solution for achieving high-quality concrete finishes. Its lightweight design and straightforward operation make it a popular choice among contractors and builders aiming to save time and effort while maintaining top-notch results. Number 11. Solidor Solar Switch. Wooden decks often hide a lot of essential features underneath, from wiring to equipment, and accessing these spaces can be tricky without a proper solution. The Solidor Solar Switch lock is designed to make it easy to create a simple, removable trapdoor that blends seamlessly with the deck. It's a practical little system that works by allowing a single board to be lifted out and replace the polished look of the deck. The Solar Switch is all about simplicity and efficiency. It's easy to install and doesn't require complicated tools or extensive effort. Once in place, it provides a long-lasting solution for quick access to the area beneath the deck. The materials are sturdy and designed to handle everyday use without breaking or wearing down quickly. What makes this product especially appealing is its affordability. A set of 4 pieces costs about $3, making it a budget-friendly option for anyone looking to improve deck functionality. It's a straightforward, elegant solution for a common problem, allowing easy access while maintaining the deck's overall appearance. Number 10. Ephesus Bolt Protect. Leaks often happen when bolts are used to install something on roofs or other surfaces. Instead, a quick surface treatment with Primo does the job. Once applied, the membrane adheres effectively, sealing the area and preventing water from seeping through. The main material used in Ephesus Bolt Protect is ethylene propylene rubber, known for its strength and flexibility. This rubber is commonly used in automotive and window profiles, so it's built to withstand tough conditions. It's elastic, allowing it to conform tightly to the shape of bolts, ensuring a snug and durable fit. This material is also highly resistant to UV rays and extreme temperatures. It performs well in harsh weather, withstanding frost and temperatures as low as 45 degrees Celsius without cracking or losing its effectiveness. This makes it an excellent choice for regions with severe winters or in combining portability with strength. 2 models are available, with capacities of 113 kilograms and 181 kilograms, making them versatile for various jobs. These models come equipped with either an electric motor or a gasoline engine, with options from Lifan or Honda, ensuring reliable performance for different preferences and power needs. For added flexibility, lifting sections of 1.2 or 2.4 meters can be used, making it adaptable for different heights and load sizes. Accessories such as stands for transporting solar panels or plywood expand its usefulness further, catering to industries like construction, renewable energy, and general material handling. Competitors in the market have introduced their own variations of this equipment, with features designed for convenience and efficiency. Some models, Germany, for instance, is experiencing a surge in solar panel production, while France has introduced legislation requiring solar panels in parking lots with at least 80 spaces. This trend highlights the increasing demand for equipment capable of supporting renewable energy installations. The hoist ladder hybrid is particularly well suited for these applications, making tasks like lifting and positioning panels more efficient and safe. Number 8. ACO Ground Guard. The ACO Ground Guard is a smart, two-in-one solution that combines soil reinforcement with efficient water drainage. Designed to keep grass or gravel areas looking neat and functional, it prevents flooding even after heavy rain. With a load-bearing capacity of up to 250 tons per square